If you are wondering how to get rid of toenail fungus fast, then you need not look far. Onychomycosis, the scientific term used for denoting toenail fungus, is a common disease that infects the toes of an individual. In America alone, almost 40 million men and women suffer from toenail fungus. Most men and women in America who suffer from fungus under their toenail fall in the age group of 50 to 70 years. This fungal infection starts with the nail bed before spreading to the plate and finally the matrix. Toenail fungus in 12 to 18-year age group after the COVID-19 occurrence in the early 2020, yellow toenail fungus, white toenail fungus and black toenail fungus has started to magnify in monstrous proportions. The pain caused by this condition is the root cause of problems among young children aged 12 to 18 years. As young as 6-year-olds have also been reported to suffer from toenail fungus infection. Nonetheless, their cases are scant and quite rare. How to detect tinea unguium? It is not very difficult to diagnose this infection. When you begin to notice small yellow patches visible underneath the nail, it is a sign of nail fungal infection. These can also be white in color. As time passes, the patches tend to become bold in their color and start to detach the nail from its bed. As time passes, your toenail shall become distorted and may start to thicken. Another sign of nail fungal issue is pain in the area followed by droplets of blood emitting from under your toenails. Fastest way to get rid of toenail fungus? Topical agents. The quickest way to get rid of toenail fungus is by opting for topical ointments and creams. Topical agents that are primarily used are cycloperoxylamine and efinaconazole. You could also make use of terbinafine and itraconazole. Melaleuca. Clinical research studies conducted by small-scale industries have claimed that melaleuca or tea tree oil can have a dramatic impact in containing fungal infection of the toenail. You need to make use of tea tree oil that belongs to the green grade. The application procedure is fairly simple. You need to use a cotton swab and paint your nail with tea tree oil, after dipping it in the cotton swab. The application should not exceed 2 times in a single day. Oleropine. This is an extract that is derived from the leaf of the olive plant. It is a good home remedy to get rid of fungal infection of the toenail. Olive leaf has antimicrobial properties and it can be applied directly onto the infected toenail. The application of painting the nail with oleropine is to be performed twice a day. There is a provision of consuming capsules as well. Take no more than 2 capsules in a day. It is suggested that you need to maintain optimal hydration levels while incorporating oleropine for treating big toenail fungus. Vinegar. If you are wondering how to get rid of toenail fungus with vinegar, then it is not at all a daunting task. The application is fairly simple indeed. Take 2 small cups of water and then mix 1 cup of vinegar in it. The water needs to be warm and not cold. You also need to make note of the fact that your affected foot is to be dipped into this solution. The ideal period for this soaking procedure should not exceed 25 minutes. Adrotina pichincensis. The quickest way to get rid of toenail fungus is the Adrotina pichincensis application. Extracted from the snakeroot plant, belonging to the sunflower plant category, Adrotina pichincensis is an effective way to treat this fungal infection. The application procedure is maintained to thrice a week for the very first month. In the next month, you should apply it just twice a week. It is a traditional treatment method that might prove beneficial for curing your infected nail. Oil extracted from oregano. The thymol content present within the oregano oil is responsible for treating fungus infecting your toenail. The oil extracted from oregano has antibacterial as well as antifungal properties. In order to apply the oil of oregano, you should dip a swab of cotton into a bottle filled with this oil. Smear this liquid onto the affected area and let it dry. Apply twice daily to get the desired effect. Crushed cloves of raw garlic. Quickest way to get rid of this infection would be the application raw garlic cloves onto the infected nail. Simply crush a few cloves and apply it onto the nail. Garlic is known to possess antibacterial as well as antifungal properties. Impact of COVID-19 on toenail fungus. Men and women that have been infected with COVID-19 have reported to have developed Bowes lines. This condition can be described as grooves and lines appearing on the topmost portion of your nail. As per medical research analysts, it usually takes COVID-19 patients 6 to 8 months for their nails to regrow to retain their original shape. It is a good idea to take a natural supplement made from herb and plant extracts to get rid of toenail fungus.